The weak force is considered a fundamental force of nature, and it is transported by W and Z bosons. Protons are each made of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark. Neutrons are each 2 down quarks and 1 up quark. The weak force is able to change down quarks to up and up quarks to down. The weak force flips quarks. The results are turning protons into neutrons and neutrons into protons. In these transformations, beta particles are emitted, and this is what's known as radioactive decay or beta decay. When the weak force changes a proton of an element into a neutron, what happens is that the proton loses a positron plus a neutrino. The escaping positron is the radioactive decay, and this particular radiation is called beta plus decay. The conversion of protons into neutrons will transform an element into a different, lower element on the periodic table. It is a nuclear breakdown. The changing of protons into neutrons by the weak force also triggers nuclear fusion. For example, 4 hydrogen atoms are fused to make helium. The weak force converts 2 hydrogen protons into 2 neutrons, thus creating a helium with 2 protons and 2 neutrons. The energy and heat released from the fusion process will ignite a star. Of course, gravity is first needed to create the pressure and temperature to begin fusion. But that's just one step in nuclear fusion. The next is that neutrons release electrons to convert those neutrons into protons, thus building higher elements. The radiation emitted is called beta minus decay. It is a nuclear buildup. The deep question is, why does nature think it's necessary to flip quarks so that the universe has radioactive decay and nuclear fusion? Is it part of God's design?